Hi, I'm Lucy, and today we are going to be making a smoothie. Here is the ingredients we will need to make our wonderful smoothie. Okay, so we have ice, we have honey if you like that, and then some type of mixed berry, some type of milk or cream or something, and then a type of ice cream. Okay, so I'm using a smoothie blender here. You can use any kind of blender you'd like. First, we're gonna add some ice. I like to add ice just because it gives it a thicker kind of texture. Okay, and then I'm gonna add in my berries. This is just an assortment of berries that I like, you know, strawberries, blueberries, those kind of things. You can use whatever you would like. Okay. I'm gonna put some honey in there, just because I like the flavor. Okay. And then here I have some French vanilla coffee creamer. You can also use any kind of milk or cream or anything like that. Then I've got some brownie ice cream here. I'm gonna just put a scoop of that in there. Maybe a little bit more. Okay, now I'm gonna stick the lid on. It's nice and tight. Okay, I think that's enough. If it's not, you can always add more. Okay, so now we're gonna blend it. Usually just pulse it, like don't hold it down, just pulse it a little bit so that it blends up easier. So I put my hand on top and just... You gotta be sure to thoroughly mix it so it all gets mixed in and works perfect. Alright, I think that's good. And that is how you make a smoothie. Enjoy! If you liked this video, be sure to like, share, and subscribe! Now, let's call in our official taste tester. Here, try this.
Time to try this. It's really good. You can really taste like the different flavors. The berry and like this ice cream flavor. It's really good. I can't criticize this. There's nothing to criticize. This is a thumbs up.
For an added treat, you can put it in a popsicle holder and freeze it and have smoothie popsicles.
Another thumbs up for popsicle.